So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to find Spectrum TV app on LG Smart TV, supported models and install workaround. Supported LG Smart TV models, important first check. The LG electronic smart TVs that typically support the Spectrum TV app are LG Smart TVs running WebOS 3.0 or newer, most model released 2017 or later. How to check your LG TV version. Press setting on your remote, then go to all setting, then general support, then about this TV, then product or service info. Look for the WebOS version. You can also find the information on the back of your Zumo box. If your TV run on older version, the app may not appear in the store. So press the home button on your LG remote, then open the LG content store, then select search. Then type Spectrum TV, choose the app and install. Open the app and sign in with your Spectrum account, then you will see the app your TV is supported. Spectrum TV app not showing. Common reasons are TV model not supported. Older LG TVs may not support the app due to system limitations. Software not updated. Update your TV settings, then support, then software update, then check for updates. Region and account issue. Sometime app availability depend on region or account setup. Install workaround. If app isn't available, if your LG TV doesn't support it, you can still watch Spectrum using streaming devices. Best solution. Roku, Amazon Fire TV Stick, Google Chromecast, Apple TV. These devices support the Spectrum TV app even if your TV doesn't. So alternative methods are screen test casting. For Android, screen mirroring or cast. Make sure your Android phone and LG TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On the LG TV, press home, then open screen share. On your phone, open quick setting. Then tap cast, smart view or screen mirroring. Name may vary by device. Select your LG TV from the list. Accept the connection on the TV if prompted. Your phone screen will now appear on the TV. Use AirPlay on LG TV. Connect your iPhone or iPad and LG TV to the same Wi-Fi network. Then on the live TV, go to home, then AirPlay. Turn AirPlay on. On iPad or iPhone, open Control Center, then tap Screen Mirroring. Select your LG Smart TV, enter the AirPlay code shown on the TV fast. Your iPhone or iPad screen will now start displaying on the LG TV. If casting or AirPlay doesn't work, restart both devices and phone, check Wi-Fi connection, update LG TV software, turn AirPlay off and on again. Quick troubleshooting tips. Restart the TV after installation, check internet connection, reinstall the app if it freezes, make sure Spectrum service is active. Thank you.